Hi, welcome to SNDS Academy, and this is a problem from the CENGAGE for JEE Mains third edition, and this is from complex numbers, as you can see, and this is the 67th problem from the chapter. All right, as you can see here, we have to find the value of this expression where omega is a cube root of unity. So we know omega cube is equal to 1, and we also can write this equation, which we know from the previous videos, that omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. This is pretty useful in this particular problem. So as you can see here, the first term of this expression that we have to find the value for has 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega square. This 5 might worry you a little bit, because if it was 3 it would have been so easy, right? So that's the point, it shouldn't be too easy. So even otherwise we have 3 common in both these terms, so we'll just take that out, common, and you have 3 into 1 plus omega square plus 5 omega. Hope you got that. And that's a whole square. And now can you try the same thing here? You can pause the video and you can try this out. What can you do for the second term? Well, congratulations if you got it right. And here you have 3 common the first two terms itself. So you have 3 into 1 plus omega plus 5 omega square. Is that okay? I guess it is. And now 1 plus omega square is minus omega, right? If it goes to the other side, it becomes minus omega. And 1 plus omega is minus omega square, because if this goes to the other side, it becomes minus omega square. So you have 3 into minus omega plus 5 omega, the whole square, plus 3 into minus omega square plus 5 omega square, the whole square, which gives you, see, this is minus 3 omega plus 5 omega, which is 2 omega, the whole square, plus the same thing here, the difference is just the omega square, the whole square, which gives us 4 omega square plus 4 omega power 4. And 4 omega power 4 can be written as 4 omega square plus 4 omega cube into omega, right? And why do we do that? Because we know omega cube is 1. So any power of omega that's greater than 3, you can just reduce it to, a power of either 0, 1 or 2. So this becomes omega. So you have 4 omega square plus 4 omega. When you take the 4 out common here, you have omega square plus omega. And what do you think the value of this is? Yes, it's just minus 1, because omega square plus omega, you take the 1 to the other side and you have minus 1. So the answer will be minus 4 for this question. I hope you understood this, and if you have any doubts, please mention it in the comments, and you can also mention your suggestions. Keep watching. See you in the next video.